Hello and welcome to Opportunity Management for Enrollment Services in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. This course is designed to introduce the concepts of opportunity management with a perspective towards enrollment services. This module will step by step go through the various components in the opportunities area that you'll be using on a daily basis, including accessing opportunities, creating new opportunities, updating opportunities, and viewing information related to opportunities such as grants, missing documents, and activities. Opportunities are available within the main sales area of CRM. Begin by selecting Sales from the Microsoft Dynamics CRM drop-down menu in the upper left-hand portion of the screen. After selecting Sales, now click Opportunities. A view of opportunities will display. The default view for opportunities is Open Opportunities, which is a view of all the opportunities in the system. You can use the View selector to choose a view of My Open Opportunities if you just want to see the opportunities that are currently assigned to you. As a reminder, if you want to view the detailed information about any record in CRM, just double-click the row from the view. To create a new opportunity, from the Opportunities area, click New from the command bar. After clicking New from the Opportunity view, a blank opportunity screen will display. Notice the required fields that are identified with a red asterisk field, including Contact, University, Industry Vertical, and Status. We first need to identify the contact that this opportunity is associated with. Most times, this contact will not exist in the system. The easiest way to create a new contact from within an opportunity record is to click the Create button on the blue navigation bar and then click Contact. A blank contact record will now display. Enter in as much information about the contact as possible, then click the Save button. After clicking Save, our contact creation screen will hide and we'll be looking at our opportunity screen again. We'll also notice that a yellow bar has now appeared near the top of the screen, letting us know that this contact has been created. We can now go through the process of entering in the additional fields on the opportunity. Once we have all the required fields for the opportunity filled in addition to the other fields that we could fill in, we can then save this opportunity. Notice the Save and Close buttons near the top of the screen. Save will save this new opportunity and leave the opportunity form open, while clicking Save and Close will save your changes, close the opportunity, and take you back to your main navigation. After clicking Save, the opportunity will be created and committed to the database. Notice that the subgrids for open activities and closed activities on the right-hand side of the page are now populated. These subgrids will only become available after the record is saved for the first time. We have successfully created an opportunity. This next section discusses the process for updating opportunities in the system. Perhaps there's an opportunity in your system that you're currently working that needs to have the planned enrollment cycle adjusted, or perhaps the program. This section will discuss that. Let's begin by locating the opportunity that we wish to update. One thing we can do is switch our view to a list of My Open Opportunities and scroll through the list till we find the record we're looking for. Alternatively, we can use the quick search box in the upper right-hand portion of the screen to search for an opportunity. The easiest way to find an opportunity with the quick search is by entering in the HEH ID. The One Search feature in CRM can also be used to search for an opportunity. Alternatively, we can also use the quick search feature in CRM to locate. I've applied my quick search for Miko, and I've returned one opportunity where Miko Koivu is the contact. I now have the opportunity record open that I wish to update. Let's assume that I want to change the planned enrollment cycle field, so I'll simply click into that field and set the new planned enrollment cycle. Most fields in CRM can be updated by simply clicking on the field and either selecting a new value from a drop-down menu or typing in the new value by hand. Notice that after I made a change to the record, in the lower right-hand portion of the screen, an Unsaved Changes message has appeared. This message will appear on screen whenever a change has been made to the record, but that change has not been committed to the database. Notice that the save action has committed, and the Unsaved Changes message no longer appears in the lower right-hand portion of the screen. Our save has been committed to the database. Activities are covered much more in depth in the Activity Management module. Just to give you an idea of what we can do with activities in an opportunity, you'll notice the subgrids on the opportunity for open activities and closed activities. The only things that appear in the open activities menu are activities that are open and need to be completed for the opportunity you're looking at, while in the closed activities, this will list activities that have been completed at some point in the past. If we wanted to update this existing open activity, all we would need to do is double-click the activity to open it. Alternatively, we can use the plus sign at the top of the subgrid to create new activities. Again, these topics are covered much more in depth in the Activity Management module. Additional information about the opportunity is available as you scroll to the bottom of the screen. Notice the Contact Preferences section in the Opportunity area. This Contact Preferences area will list off the preferred phone numbers or email addresses. It'll also list off what this person's local time is and what the call window is for that particular person. Underneath Contact Preferences is an area for Opportunity Documents. This section will list off the decision-ready documents, the file complete documents, as well as the documents that are not required. This field will be automatically updated as things are completed for this opportunity. There also is an Opportunity Grants section near the bottom of the opportunity form. This section allows us to see which available grants there are for this particular university and program, whether they've been offered, applied, and awarded, as well as a description of what the grant is. Notice the Available and Expired buttons on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking Available will only list the available grants for this particular program and university, while clicking the Expired button will list all grants, both current and previous. As a reminder, to go back to the main Opportunities view when you're done with an opportunity, simply click Opportunities from the upper navigation bar. That concludes the module on Opportunity Management for Enrollment Services. Thank you for your attention.